Here's some Screenwriting Basics trivia. Subscribe. What is the common structure used in screenplays? Is it A, flashback format, B, three-act structure, C, hero's journey, or D, circle structure? The correct answer is B, three-act structure. What is a brief summary of a screenplay called? Is it A, concept, B, draft, C, capsule, or D, logline? The correct answer is D, logline. Who is known for developing the writing system called hero's journey? Is it A, Carl Jung, B, Steve Jobs, C, Joseph Campbell, or D, J.R.R. Tolkien? The correct answer is C, Joseph Campbell. What type of screenplay is meant for immediate production? Is it A, shooting script, B, treatment, C, spec script, or D, outline? The correct answer is A, shooting script. What is the main character of a film called? Is it A, supporting character, B, protagonist, C, sidekick, or D, antagonist? The correct answer is B, protagonist. What structure involves setups and payoffs in screenwriting? Is it A, red herring, B, foreshadowing, C, plot twist, or D, character arc? The correct answer is B, foreshadowing. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.